Hey everyone! Welcome back to Pro Product Comparison. Is the MSI Gaming RTX 5068G Shadow 2 XOC truly the next-gen upgrade you need? Or is the ASUS dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3056GB OC still a smart budget buy? Most reviews miss the crucial performance gap that dictates your gaming future. We've put both through their paces to give you the clear, unbiased truth you need to decide. Stick with us, and you'll walk away knowing exactly which GPU is tailor-made for your PC build. First off, let's dissect the fundamental silicon powering these cards. The ASUS dual RTX 3056GB OC is built on NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, featuring 2,304 CUDA cores and 6GB of GDDR6 memory on a 96-bit bus. It's an entry-level RTX card, primarily designed for 1080p gaming. Its most frustrating drawback is undeniably its limited 6GB VRAM and significantly reduced power target compared to the 8GB RTX 3050 variant, making it notably slower and less future-proof for modern games. You'll often see it requiring lower settings for demanding titles. In stark contrast, the MSI Gaming RTX 5068G Shadow 2 XOC is a completely different beast, leveraging NVIDIA's cutting-edge Blackwell architecture. This card boasts 3,840 CUDA cores and 8GB of blazingly fast GDDR7 memory on a 128-bit bus. This is a generational leap. Its DLSS 4 and 4th Gen RT cores provide a significant advantage in AI upscaling and ray tracing performance. The consensus leans towards the RTX 5060 delivering almost twice the performance of the RTX 3058GB, let alone the 6GB version, across most modern games at 1080p and even hitting playable frame rates at 1440p with DLSS. Beyond the numbers, what about real-world gaming impact and longevity? The ASUS dual RTX 3056GB OC is a 70W card, meaning it requires no external power connector, a pro for some older or smaller systems. It can handle many esports titles and lighter games at 1080p with decent frame rates. However, for AAA games released in 2024 and beyond, its 6GB VRAM is a major bottleneck, forcing texture settings down and limiting its ability to leverage ray tracing effectively. Many user reports indicate it struggles to maintain consistent 60 FPS in newer demanding titles, even at low settings. Now, pivoting to a crucial point, the MSI Gaming RTX 5068G Shadow 2 XOC draws 145W, requiring a single 8-pin power connector, which is standard for a performance card. This card is built for 1080p high refresh rate gaming and capable 1440p gaming with DLSS 4. Its 8GB of GDDR7 memory, coupled with the Blackwell architecture, offers significantly more bandwidth and better ray tracing capabilities. While 8GB of VRAM can still be a limitation in some future ultra-high texture games at max settings, it's a far more capable and future-proof solution than 6GB. You'll hear it time and again across early reviews. The RTX 5060 delivers a substantial generational uplift not seen in other recent NVIDIA 60-class cards. Moving past the core features, what about the overall ownership experience? The ASUS dual RTX 3056GB OC with its dual-fan cooling solution is generally quiet and efficient due to its very low power draw. It's a set-it-and-forget-it card for basic gaming. Its value proposition lies in its extremely low price point for an RTX-branded card, making it accessible for budget-constrained builds. Its Achilles heel remains its performance limitations given the RTX moniker. On the flip side, the MSI Gaming RTX 5068G Shadow 2 XOC features MSI's TORX Fan 5.0 and heat pipe design for efficient cooling, ensuring it runs quietly even under load. This card benefits from MSI Center software for monitoring and overclocking. The RTX 5060's killer feature is its raw performance per watt and the integration of DLSS 4 and the latest Blackwell architecture, making it immensely more powerful and efficient for modern gaming and AI tasks. While it comes at a higher price, its vastly superior performance, especially with AI upscaling, delivers a much better FPS per dollar for serious gaming. Our findings align with what many enthusiasts report. The RTX 5060 fundamentally reshapes the entry to mid-range GPU market. After dissecting every angle, for the vast majority of gamers and PC builders seeking genuinely strong 1080p and even 1440p performance for today's and tomorrow's games, the MSI Gaming RTX 5068G Shadow 2 XOC emerges as the absolute champion. Its Blackwell architecture, GDDR7 memory, and powerful DLSS 4 implementation simply put it miles ahead in raw performance and future-proofing, making it the undisputed winner. That being said, If your absolute non-negotiable priority is the lowest possible budget for a brand new NVIDIA RTX card, and you only play older esports titles or highly optimized games at 1080p, then the ASUS dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3056GB OC remains a genuinely strong contender due to its power efficiency and lack of an external power connector. It's the right fit for an extremely specific, budget-first kind of user. Alright, you've got the full picture. If this video truly cut through the confusion for you, then doing 3 things really helps us out. Like this video, drop a comment below telling us which GPU you're leaning towards, and definitely subscribe for more unbiased tech insights. And of course, for the best deals and full specs on both the ASUS dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3056GB OC and the MSI Gaming RTX 5068G Shadow 2X OC, those links are waiting for you right there in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next review.